with the 92021. These are the frequencies emitting from the floor from 302. Going up. Becoming emitting from that corner because it always emits frequencies. It's either low or high. Also, we have frequencies emitting from the smoke detector. It's hardwired. And frequencies emit from the back of the refrigerator. Both sides get hot. That's probably why none of my stuff stays cold. Pretty thick. That's from the frequencies. Because it goes through your lungs. And then eventually you cough and then the phlegm comes out. That's my cat's lounge. And that is my cat and frequencies. That's your dog. I think I have more phlegm to cough up.